The millions of organic compounds in our world seem impossibly complex, but most of them trace back to just three fundamental families, the primary colors of organic chemistry: alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. The only difference between them, the type of bond connecting their carbon atoms. It all starts with alkanes. With only single carbon-carbon bonds, they are saturated, full, stable, and relatively unreactive. Think of the sturdy hydrocarbons in candle wax or fuel. But change just one single bond to a double bond, and you create an alkene. This molecule is now unsaturated and chemically reactive. That double bond is an electron-rich hotspot, a magnet for other atoms. We use this reactivity to link thousands of ethylene molecules into polyethylene, the plastic in shopping bags. Push it to a triple bond and you have an alkyne. So high energy, it's used in welding torches. This single change even dictates the molecule's 3D shape, forcing it into a flat plane or a perfectly straight line. This structure also dictates physical properties. Since these are nonpolar molecules, they're held together by weak attractions called London dispersion forces. The rule is simple. The longer the carbon chain, the more surface area it has, and the stronger these forces get. This is why methane with 1 carbon is a gas at room temperature, but octane with 8 carbons is a liquid, and paraffin wax with over 20 carbons is a solid. A longer chain means a higher boiling point. It's that predictable. So these families are more than just names. They are the fundamental framework of the organic world. By understanding the pattern, single, double, or triple bonds, identified by the suffix -ane, -ene, or -ine, you can begin to see the underlying architecture of the world around you. This is the foundation upon which we build everything else, the alcohols, acids, and esters that create the smells, tastes, and medicines we rely on every day.